Kerala style fish curry. Ingredients you need: 500 grams fish cut into smaller pieces, 1 cup mango not very ripe sliced into cubes, 1 cup sliced onion, 1 dessert spoon chili powder, 1 dessert spoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, oil as required, 3/4 cup thick coconut milk, 1 cup thin coconut milk, 1 tablespoon ginger sliced thin and long, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 dessert spoon chopped shallots, 1 sprig curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies. Put the pan on the stove and light the stove. Add 2 tablespoons oil to the pan. Add the onion slices, green chilies and ginger and saute well. Once the onion slices are soft, add turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. Add enough salt. Put in the fish and mango and blend well. Pour in the thin coconut milk, mix it up and cook under the lid. Once done, stir well and pour in the thick coconut milk. Take off the stove before it boils. Now for seasoning, add 2 tablespoons oil to a small pan. Throw in some mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add chopped shallots and saute well. Add a few curry leaves and red chilies. Once sauteed, add to the prepared curry. Kerala style fish curry is ready to be served.